Hey y'all, today on Grilling with Granddaddy Daddy, we're gonna do something really good. We're gonna do some butterflied chicken drumsticks. So let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, we're doing butterflied drumsticks. So what I'm gonna do is on the small side, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna slice it all the way to the bone. I'm gonna come all the way down to the knuckle. A couple of those tendons you got to cut through. Come up here to the top. Okay. All right, so there's that one. I'm going to turn that over and I'm just going to score this back side because we're going to season it and I want to be able to get that in there to the meat. Right. So you can see we've got both of them down to the bone. We'll score this one. All right, now let's get them seasoned up. Okay, for seasoning, I'm just going to season these up with some black pepper, some garlic salt, and some lemon pepper. We're just going to do a little light coating on both sides. Pat that in. And we're going to flip them. And we're going to do the same thing. We'll try to pull these cuts open a little bit. Help that seasoning get down in there. Oh yeah, you can see it falling right down into those crevices that I made. Okay, we're going to cook these on the Weber kettle grill at about 325 degrees till we hit 190 internal. So let's go light the grill. Okay, we got our chimney good and hot. So we're going to dump these coals in the old Weber. I got myself set a cool zone and a hot zone because I don't want to cook the chicken so fast on the outside that it's burnt while the inside ain't done yet. All right, let me get my grate on here. All right, let's let it heat up. Okay, we got our grill up to 325 degrees. So let's get our butterflied drumsticks going on the grill. Now I'm going to put them skin side down and I'm going to put the knuckle away from the coals. Okay, let's lock the temperature down at about 325 and we're going to cook them till we get to 190. Okay, let's take a look. There are a couple of extras on here because they belong to Little G. That's the two that aren't seasoned. Okay, so we'll give these a few more minutes and then they'll be done. Okay, our temp spike says these are done. So let's get these off the grill. All right, so because I butterflied them, it only took 30 minutes to cook. So let's give it a taste, see how it is. if you can see how juicy that is. But man, that is good. It's hot too. All right, there you go. That's butterfly chicken drumsticks, and they're really good, and they cook fast. So if you're in a hurry, it's a good quick meal, or good quick meat. I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description below. Also, I'm gonna put a link to Thermopro's website, so you can go to their website, check out all the different temperature tools that they have for grilling, or just they have some things for the weather around your house too, temperature, humidity, that kind of stuff. Go there, follow the link. If you decide to get something, use coupon code ThermoProTeam. You get 15% off of whatever you buy. So that's it for this time. Until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling.